Alright, welcome back. Today we are having a close look at a master lock. It's a dimple lock, 6-pin. That's the keyway. And I got this one from Adrian, Leon in Spain. So thank you very much for that. And this is a 1145 PD. It's a grade 7 lock. And it also has a solid brass body with special anti-rust coating. So we can think about that. Anyway, we're going to try this one in device. Maybe like that. And I have picked this one several times. It does have at least one security pin. I believe it has some serrated pins and also a spool. And we are going to try to pick it open from the right side. I will use a right flag from GoSo that I modified a bit. Anyway, and this lock is a bit tricky because the pins are so flat. They're not sharp like that, they're more flat, so it's kind of difficult to get the pick to get the pick all the way back and front again. Anyway, we're trying the number 6. Click. Number 5. Zoom in a bit. Now I got a false set for number 1, and number 2 is a spool because I get counter rotation. I lost the false set, and there we are. Alright, unfortunately we can't open up the core and look inside, but anyway, we have some security pins, we have some serrated and at least one spool in the second position. So that's it. Master lock from Adrian. So, alright, thank you for watching. And I will return with perhaps this one. It's a new acquisition. It's an Anchor, Swedish 830-3 with a hobble 7-pin Scandinavian cylinder. Look at that. It's massive. I love these ones. Grade 4. It's going to be a blast. Alright, thanks for watching and see ya.